the human deal. Ha. 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 Yeah. Ha. Okay. Now where are you? Wildcat, huh? Why are you in the rush all of a sudden? Let me guess. Exercising? Not exercising. Either I am. I'm searching for a wildcat here in North America in this forest. So what wildcat are we looking for again? The cougar, also known as the puma, or mountain lion. I'm searching for them because I want to climb just like them. Take a look. Their paws are 35 wide, and they also have color retractable claws that allow them to gut the tree for climbing, while also in mountains. Wow, they really are excellent climbers. Yeah, they sure are. And that's why I want to find one, if I can. Huh. Huh. Okay, cougar, where are you? Wildcat. Cougars mainly use dense vegetation, rock crevices, and caves for shelter. I know, but they can also dive in coniferous forests such as this one, also in grasslands, swamps, and many more. And they normally live in mountains. But it sounds like coniferous forest, so that's why I want to search here, if I can find one exactly. Huh. Hey Wildcat, you gotta check this out. Is it a cougar? No, it's a red squirrel. A red squirrel? Was interested by a red squirrel than a cougar. Come on, I think you better check this out. Okay. Red squirrel is also good to climb his tail. Really? Yeah, take a look. Look at those hind limbs. They're both for leaping. Interesting. Yeah, and watch his tail. That long bushy tail is the key to balance while climbing trees. A little turn to the left, and he throws his tail right, and then a little turn to the right, and he throws his tail left. Get it? Yeah, I get it. Turns so pointed and with survival, to only get food and kill it for coming food. Yeah, without tails, we wouldn't be able to balance. I wonder why we don't have tails. Probably because we didn't evolve from monkeys. It's just a theory, right? Yeah, just a theory. Man, squirrels are so interesting. I wonder where it's going. I think it's going to my trust hunter stores food there. Stores food there. That's it. I have a change of mind. Huh? You do? What change of mind? Instead of getting cougar powers, now I want squirrel powers. Oh, you do? Yeah. Life with squirrels is so easy. We can escape danger easily and get food. Right? You know, being life with an animal is not very easy. You have to escape danger all the time. Personally, predators here in this forest. Oh yeah? Like what? Like owls, hawks, foxes, wolves, especially coyotes. Huh, I can evade all of them pretty easily. Well, okay. But you better be cautious, just like the squirrels here. By the way, I thought of a name for you. The long bushy tail is the key to survival. I think I'll call you Taylor. That's right, Taylor. A perfect name for a squirrel. Yep, it fits. Now what you want is some squirrel power. Well, there's only one way to get that. From Jane. The one we're here for. Let's go. Jane. So, you just found a cougar? No. I don't want cougar powers. Instead, I want squirrel power. Squirrel power? Yeah. I also found that squirrels are excellent climbers. Indeed they are. So, let me get this straight. Instead of cougar powers, you want squirrel powers? Yeah, because lots of squirrels are so easy. You get to find food and evade danger. It's so easy. Let's be sure about that, Wildcat. Oh, nonsense. It will be easy peasy. Okay. I'll give you some squirrel power. What, the rest of you? No thanks. Well, fine. Besides, honestly, a Wildcat can have squirrel powers. Because he thinks life is squirrel is so easy. It's totally easy, guys. And I'll prove it to you. Okay. So then we got a creature challenge, alright? Alright, so what do you got? Okay, so Red Squirrel has many adaptations for features to help them survive. Like here, I'll show you. 2 large eyes for seeing things. And also 2 high legs adapted for leaping. And finally, a bunch tail to help with balance. Alright, got it. Okay, Wildcat. Squirrel powers as you requested. Thank you, Jane. Okay, here it goes. Uploading squirrel powers. Alright, now I feel like a climbing squirrel. That's great. Then I put these powers to the test. Huh. Whoa. Are you certain that you'll win this challenge? Or I certainly will. Well, I should come with you to see if you actually win it, you know. Oh, sure. But what is I'm out of here for? Let's go to the woods where I can climb trees. Huh. Well, there he goes. And, same for me, I guess. Well, since I'm green, and the forest is green, well, I may as well come too. He's gonna win it. Maybe not. Hey, wanna watch live on the monitors? Sure. Oh, I'm always in for a challenge. Huh. Alright. Now all you do is find Taylor. And see what the leftist was all about. Come on. Huh. Well, you heard him. You know what he told me twice.